Hello and namaskar to all my joyful and beautiful companion of one world. Hopefully you all are very good and doing great in your life. So today let's talk about one thing, how to overcome or how to fight with a difficult situation in life. So first let's understand there is no such things as difficulties in life. There only can be situations in life. There only can be different situations in life. And one thing is, no matter whatever horrible things or situation life throw to us, but what we make out of this is absolutely 100% our choice. Life can throw all kind of disastrous situation to us, but it is our choice. It is absolutely 100% to us that we make those disastrous situation, we make those horrible things, we make those nasty situation in our favor to make grow in terms of both in terms of mind, emotion, life energy, in terms of intelligence, everything. First let's understand, problem is only comes with makes us, because problem can be happen, but what if we can turn, if we can make into this wonderful possibility or not is absolutely our choice. Problem is coming, but most important is we learn out of this problem and wise. If not problem happens in our life, then how we can grow? Then life will be like eating, sleeping and reproduction. There is nothing else. If life not stops us, if life not thinks us to contemplate whatever happening in our life, then really we can never grow in our life. First, in my opinion, absolutely, one person who don't have any such things or any such problems in life, he or she can consider himself or herself very unfortunate, because if not problems happen, you cannot see that whatever treasure, whatever hidden diamond is can in the opposite sides of your life, you really never bother to search to know who you actually are. It is only possible when life gives you difficult situation, when life throws you difficult situation, when life not happening the way you want, then it is only possible that you will search to know what life is all about. Life is a tremendous possibility. Always situation can never be happen the way we want in no matter, but these one things can absolutely happen the way we want. If we see the wonderful greatest personalities who made such significant contribution to the growth of the humanity and this universe, they all can grow because of the difficult situation, because life molded them, grind them into greatest disastrous situation, and from there they are blossoming like a lotus flower. So it is absolutely our choice. In from my life experience, I also can to say that life is not this life what's throbbing within us, these don't know any problem or anything. There only can be problem in the manifestation in the outside world, which we can deal the way we want, but not matter the situation is cannot be happen the everything the way we want, but it is absolutely our choice. This piece of life must to happen the way we want it to happen, because life is a one time opportunity. It is not necessary to bowing down, or it is not necessary to bow down to the difficult situation, but instead of them, if we rise and shine and make us shine the whole world, it is the real solution, it is the real thing. So no matter if you want to do your life, and if we see that people who are most active in the world, they have the most problem facing, because the more you active, the more problem coming your way, and the more problem coming in your way, it is like more blossoming to life, more opportunity, more creativity and more possibilities to life. So no matter whatever happen, live life. This is the moment, not like you and me here for lifetime. No, this is absolutely not. We are here for a certain amount of time, and in this time whatever we make out of this, it is absolutely 100% our choice. That's it for today's video. I hope this brings some value No matter whatever happen in the outside world, this one life must happen the way we want. Stay always happy, healthy, blessed and joyous. And one most important thing is, if we do not do what we cannot do in our life, no problem. But if we do not do what we can do in our life, then really we are a disaster. Make sure you are not a disaster in your life. Thank you so very much. Namaskar. Love you all.